or two. This is what it is, dude. I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, we just got to pick one of the three options.
It's either drive like 40 minutes, go to that little lake, which I've never ice fished, walleyes, bluegills. There's a lot of walleyes in it. I only filmed there once this summer, but it had a ton of fish in it.
That's where I originally said. What's the...
Or we go to... I set you up in a sweet shallow water spot with a dead stick and a jig rod, and I run around the deeper stuff and jig.
Yeah, I mean, either one. I mean, none of it's a guarantee.
That's for sure, dude. Especially when you're riding with me. Which would you rather? Would we rather drive and risk the conditions or stay close?
I think we should stay close.
That's your gut feeling?
Yes.
All right. If this fails, it's on you.
I mean, I do want to go to that other place, but with what's supposed to happen tonight, I'm not gonna... Our lives are not worth it.
Yeah, I know.
Your vehicle is not worth risking.
I'll die for this cause. Just to get one more video. Just to feel that high of another video, you know?
Yeah.
There's nothing like it, dude. Is this the right call?
I don't know.
Okay.
What? Oh, you're filming? Do you think it's the right call?
I don't know anything. Old folks, you know, getting to that point in the ice season where a guy starts getting a little tired and a little bit indecisive. Would you agree on that?
Yeah. It's super annoying.
It annoys you?
Yeah.
What about it annoys you?
Because let's just decide already.
It's not just fishing, dude. This is the difference between wasting a day and having a productive day.
True. Ooh, I need some cleats.
Yeah, I should have got you some. But by the end of today, we got a giant snowstorm coming in today. It's been like raining drizzle for 2 days. Ice is getting a little nasty. But it's going to be back to polar vortex by tomorrow or something, and like 5 to 8 inches of snow sometime today and tonight. So here's the plan. We're going to get Shelby set up shallow weed spot where anything's possible. If you can dream it, it can happen. I mean, I'm going to run around maybe some deeper water and do some moving around, but we got to find a nice little spot for you, Shelbs.
Sounds good. I'd like to catch a little bit of everything if you can make that possible.
Big crappies, big perch, big walleyes, big bass, mix in a big muskie.
Yep.
Oh, you want to like catch a lot and have them all be big?
Well, the muskie better be big.
Okay. We're actually on the inside of this weed edge. It's all weeds going deeper. There's the outside of it right there. And mostly bare on the inside of it. Do I even know exactly where I am right now? Well, we're close to those waypoints.
Do we want to get closer?
That must be the outside of the edge, huh? It's only 90 feet away. Alright, you don't need me.
Yeah, here.
Well, while Shelby is in the shack, I'm going to run around and check out a bunch of other spots.
Something's... Oh God, oh God. I think we're gonna get a bite. Looking at the dead stick. Got him, hooked up. I don't know what it is. My drag might be a little too loose. I think it's a pike. If it is, it's a tiny pike. I can't see where are you? Oh, it's a walleye. Hooked up on the first walleye. Look at that. I doubt Tom's even set up yet and I'm already hooked up. He was after the dead stick, but it looked like he like nibbled on it, but then nothing. And then he came for me, which I'll take that any day. Nice one to start out. We'll put him back.
Oh, well, Shelves is up there on some shallow spots. I'm just going to run around some of these little deep water spots, see if there's anything going on. Do believe that will do. The old moonshine bladed spoon here. Got him right there, dude. Fish number 1 of the day. Hoping nice walleye here. It's not going to be a giant, but if we can start the day off with a little eater-sized walleye action. Oh, yeah. Oh, get out of there, bud. We got some. We got some. Here we go, baby. Walleye number 1 of the day right there. Nothing big, but hey man, a lot of these little northern lakes, if you can jig a few of those in the midday hours and then capitalize something in the evening, that works for me. Beautiful one right there, especially to get them on the jig stick. Not an easy task. A lot of places you're going to go in northern Wisconsin in this real clear water in the middle of the day. A lot of it's obviously made up of night fishing and set line bites. And I don't know, we'll see. I might just keep moving around and we'll see if maybe if Shelby's not seeing any, maybe we'll move her around deeper or shallower. I don't know yet. No idea how she's doing.
Oh, shoot. Hooked up. Oh. What is it? What is it? Please be a walleye. Please be a walleye. Oh. No, a little shit. Oh, God damn it. Well, a little frickin' pike. Got it. Tom probably won't include this little guy in the video, but here he is. Put him back. There we go. Let's see, let's see.
Got him, baby. Oh yeah. We found a little jig spot, huh? Out in the deeper water. Shelves is even catching them up shallow. It's feeling like a nice walleye here, man. Oh yeah, look at him. Get up the hole, bud. Get up the hole. Oh yeah, beautiful walleye. Give me some of that, dude. This ain't bad. This ain't bad. This morning I woke up and I was like, it was another 4:30 a.m. alarm. I was like, I cannot wake up today. Obviously the ice grind kind of gets you. much more tiring, exhausting than the open water bite. Oh man, dude, he took that moonshine spoon to absolute pound town here. But a couple of those on the jig stick get you right back awake. This is not too bad, man. I'm having fun. This is a good thing. There's actually quite a few fish here. I don't know if we leave Shelby. I mean, Shelby's catching fish too, so we'll just leave her right where she's at. But yes, dude, yes. That's the number right there. I know I showed it in the last video. Nickelback, 1/8 ounce Castmaster, moonshine glow in the front. Got that blade on there. I did do one little tweak to it though, which I kind of like for some if you get finessey fish, is the double split ring trick. It's not really a trick. It's probably been talked about 100 other times, but sometimes it seems like if fish are real finicky, they just want to like tag the back end of that jig, right, or that spoon. So if you put a minnow head on, right, and then kind of drop it down a little bit, it's kind of like droppers that guys used to use for perch. And yes, I just keep the minnows right in my pocket. Don't send the minnows through the wash with minnows in your bibs pockets. But when you set it up kind of like that, it almost gives them just like a little bit further down target. That one didn't matter. He just came up and absolutely clocked it. But that's the deal, man. Pretty simple. Right now we're sitting on kind of like this rock piece. Little bit of a crown, real basin, you know, where these fish like don't have to come up too much out of basin to get on this. And some lakes you'll see it like this, man, where you can have fish shallow and some deep. This is one of those lakes where, yes, there's a lot of walleyes in it, but you won't really see a lot of people fishing for them until right at sundown. And it seems like there's either two ways you can go. It's very deep next to basin. We're out here close to 30 feet right now. Or very shallow in the weeds. Those seem to be like the two situations where you can trick a few walleyes to go in during the daytime. Oh, folks, it might be time to move on to the next spot. Haven't marked one here in a little bit. Caught two here. Nice part about a day like today is we're not on a big lake, so if I keep running around, I can always swing back through here. All my holes are going to be open. And we can just drop down and see if there's fish here again yet. I always get asked what case this is. This is the Elliott or 2B. I believe it's a 48-inch case. And it's one of the few that'll actually fit rods that are as long as the ones in which we're using. The nice part is it comes with like these loops right here and then right here. So you can just put like eye bolts like this through the top of whatever you're using. And it just stays right on there. In fact, I go right down the highway with it just like that. All my baits, got line in here, pliers up here, and here I keep all my walleye spoons and things like that. And this one, I always got to keep a little electrical tape when you're ice fishing, just because who knows why. This one I keep some terminal tackle, panfish jigs and plastics, and then a box of bigger shiver minnows. So enough storage for all the baits I need to carry on the ice with me. And also fits my rods, so I can fit easily it's got 4 slots. You can honestly put like 5 or 6 rods in here a lot of times and kind of double stack them. But that's the rod setup. Let's move spots though. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'll just twitch it real slow. Yep, you got it, dude, right there. The fish just came in, hung around, and eventually decided that he wanted to play. It's gonna be a keeper-sized walleye here, more than likely. Come here, bud. Oh yeah, nice respectable one there, huh? Nice little 16, 17er. We'll take him. We'll take him, my friends. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Play nice for the camera. Play nice for the camera. Moonshine glow. Bladed 1/8 ounce Castmaster. I don't even know if there was a minnow head on there. But 9 times out of 10, you don't need it when you're fishing this bait. The minnow head could have fallen off, but I do not believe. In fact, there was even a minnow head on that thing. Get back down there. What the hell is going on out here?
It is a full-blown snowstorm.
Well, guys, in the last hour or so, it has snowed about 4 inches. And there's no end in sight. As you can see, total whiteout. And I've been marking fish, Shelby's been marking fish, just totally bellied up and died. On top of that, I'm worried I'm not gonna get up the hill out of the bow landing parking lot if it snows another 6 inches till the evening, you know? So, I think we're gonna tuck our tails. For some reason, it's like they got out here right away and they bit decent at first, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good at first.
And then all of a sudden, just downhill the second this front landed. So instead of staying till dark, I'm gonna pull off. We're gonna pack everything up. I'm absolutely soaked. Everything's soaked. It's one of those huge, heavy snows.
Yep.
Huge winter weather advisory.
It's better to be safe.
And we'll see in the morning, I guess. Whatever kind of status this turns into. I mean, it's like a full-on snow globe out here. Well, folks, welcome back to a very different looking day. We got absolutely dumped on with snow and was gonna go walleye fishing today. And then I remembered that someone wanted to go crappie fishing, and I was like, well, maybe I can make an exception.
Yeah, that's right, boys. We're out here catching the crappies. Actually, we're gonna try to.
Sometimes
I don't think Tom knows what the hell he's doing out here.
You know, sometimes it's just nice to take a kid fishing and kind of show them the ropes and things like that. So
yeah, no, I appreciate that.
I figured you would, honestly.
Yeah.
So we're loaded down. It's a beautiful day. We got tons of snow on the ground. The snow machines are happy. We're gonna blast off in this winter wonderland full of snow. Bang on some crappies today. Maybe do an interesting shore lunch and just have ourselves a day fishing off the back of the sled. So stay tuned. We're buzzing out. We'll see you on the ice.
That would not be good.
Find them for me.
Oh, there's a couple.
Oh,
There's a couple. There's a bunch. That's what we're talking about.
which way are we looking?
Which way are we looking?
Give me directions.
Well, we got some right underneath us right now as we're speaking.
Yeah, I see that.
And then we got 50 feet to my Larry. Straight ahead, 50, 60 feet. I mean, pretty much this quadrant of this sector.
All right, I'll drill it out.
This parallel right here.
All right, let's see what we can do today. Kind of drilled it out a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Obviously, got some fish down there here. Drop down to this big stack right off the bat. Oh! Number one, Mitchell.
You got one already?
Beat the guy at his own game. Decent crop there. Decent crop. And just like that, my whole school is gone. One and done. We noticed that really, I mean, obviously, right when you drill holes, they kind of move around a bunch. And if you kind of wait, a lot of times they'll kind of settle back in. So a lot of times we'll just run around with the flashers and then leave alive, like right by the snowmobile or right by the center of that school where we were kind of seeing a lot of them. Then you kind of lose them, you can run back there. Obviously, the more snow you get like this, trudging around with the live, a camera, a rod, gets to be a lot. You on them?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, just bending the rod, baby. Isn't that the coolest sight in the world, Tom?
It's kind of your jam, dude.
Just the rod doubled over, mega giant fish.
You folks have never met someone that likes ice fishing more than this guy.
I like literally You guys, all you guys out there that think you're hardos, not even close to how crazy.
Oh, just a horse.
Look at that tank. Woo. Look at that baby.
That's what we're after.
It's got to be what, 16, 17?
I was gonna say 17, yeah.
17 inches. It's okay. It's, you know, it's nothing to write home about, but
You don't want to keep too many 17s.
No,
but a
you
few
don't.
once in a while.
there we go. You can't complain about that though. Solid fish. Definitely a run and gun kind of day today, I would say.
Yeah, they like the sun out here, don't they?
Yep, they're definitely not sitting underneath us in a school of 50 fish where you can just catch one after another. It's whole hop around, catch one or two, they move.
It is a post-apocalyptic blizzard day out though. Right there, baby. Crop dogs for days. Crop dogs for days. There we go. In the blizzard. She's gnarly out. I don't know if you guys could tell how bad this wind is on camera. It sounds like there's a jet engine taking off constantly through the pines. Gorgeous out. And generally what I see is day after these giant fronts, fishing sucks. And although obviously we're catching a few crappies, you can tell that these fish are... We're in a stained lake and they love sun on these lakes. And obviously tons of snow cover, massive front coming through, no sun today. They're a little bit fickle, and I can guarantee the walleyes would be doing about the same thing. There we go, baby. That was a good red mark. Doubled up on them. Another one down there. This feels like a decent fish. Oh yeah, nice crappie right there. Crop dogs. Ice fishing's about making lemonade out of lemons, Mitchell. You know what I'm saying? When the walleye bite sucks, when the weather moves in, I actually wanted to get out of town this week and do some traveling, and the roads, it's basically four-wheel drive everywhere right now, just even around town on the good roads. So I thought of getting in the truck and driving 5 hours sounded pretty bad this week. Oh yeah. Slapping them now, son. Slapping them now. She's digging. You got fish? I was gonna say, if you don't, come on over here. I got 3 good ones on the flasher right now if you wanna get after them. That's a nice fish right there. I'm just using old-fashioned Wonder Bread tungsten jig with a little panfish plastic jigger fry on there. In fact, I don't know if I've bought a crappie jig or a plastic in years. I've just been using the same 5 different 5mm jigs I have, and the same 2 packs of panfish plastics I have. All right, folks, a little crappie beat down. Quick little outing, ran around a little bit. Now we're gonna enjoy a little shore lunch on a snow globe looking kind of day. Let's ride, baby. All right, folks, on the menu today is delicious venison brats. Took us a little bit to get the fire going.
Yeah, that was quite the project.
It was very snowy and it was raining the 3 days before the snow quit. I'm eating 2. Are you eating 2?
Sure.
Right as the sun's even coming out somehow. Haven't seen that in a few days.
No.
don't care what any fools say, I'm putting ketchup on brats.
I do too.
Yeah, that's pretty damn good.
Very good. They do a good job with these brats.
Alright guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. Walleyes before the storm, crappies after the storm, shore lunch as the storm is finally leaving.
Those brats were damn good too.
I know.
They were good.
My favorite brat recipe is shoot a really small deer that tastes really good. And then beer onions on top of a fire like that.
And they were cheesy jalapeno brats too, so just
cheesy jalapeno. But appreciate you guys watching another ice fishing video. This is the part of ice season that gets hard when the conditions start turning. You're dealing with tons of snow, slush on a lot of lakes, and the real cold can move in. But we're gonna keep chugging away. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
stay tuned.
Stay tuned, folks. Probably won't see that guy in the next one because he hates ice fishing.